How to download and install Messenger on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Messenger on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the search icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply type Messenger. And here, once you've done typing it, simply search for it. And now here, on the search result, simply tap on Messenger to open it. Now here, as you can see, I have installed the Messenger app already, but if you haven't, then here you see the install button. So there you simply have to tap on it, and after that you just have to wait for the app to download and install automatically. And here, once the app is installed, you can just tap on open to launch the app. And after that, you can simply log in using your Facebook account or phone number, and that's it. That's how you can download and install Messenger on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.